Till yesterday, we started the exercise number 6 to D. From 6 to D onwards, we have many models we has going to be see. Actually, previously, once I recall the integration from starting, direct to formulas. We're applying formulas, we got it as answers. After that, assume t is equal to something else. You need to take t is equal to some part, then dt. That means we are converting question x times to t terms, we working on that. Then after u into v, u into v, I was explained UV methods, how you has to do the things by UV methodology. But u by v method, it doesn't have an integration that I left off. Then after that, latest information of yesterday, I was explained the things like this: without root, with root, without root, with root, direct things, direct root. These three models I was already explained. Clear? Huh? After this, latestly we are interesting into that 6th D. Only one model we covered, that is 1 by under root models. Ax square plus bx plus c model it is there. This is a question you are converting into 1 by under root of x square plus a square, or 1 by under root of x square plus a square, x square minus a square, next under root of a square minus x square. Out of these three, any one model you're converting. I think the conversion techniques I told you, ax square plus bx plus c, you take x square quotient first to be 1, then after a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, you convert into that, then you can follow that, then you find out ab, then start working over here. Till that the discussion is done yesterday. Clear? Huh? Right. Now there is no doubt from my side also. I am expecting, I hope from your side also, you don't have any doubt, right? Okay. Now, till yesterday, what is the how many problems we completed? Till fifth problem is complete, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth D. Sixth D till 5 questions are over. Now let us will take a sixth question now. The sixth question is 1 by 1 plus tan x. Simple question. So this question you convert into simple. Tan x I'm writing it is very simple way. What can write sin x by cos x? It's very simple. I am simplifying the question. This after this, what you're going to get the numerator cos x by what you're going to get cos x plus sin x. You are going to get denominator. Clear? Any doubts? This is the question. I rewriting this. So this question I am expecting we cannot take. If you take sin x, you take t, you cannot convert the denominator. You cannot go. So I'm doing one thing for my convenient. I'm multiplying with denominator by 2. So like this 2 cos x is numerator. So I am doing one thing for that region cos x plus cos x. 2 cos x means okay. Next I'm adding one new term sin x and minus sin x. I'm adding and subtracting. Do you have any problem? Cos x plus sin x. Do you have any problem, Nana? These two terms I
No,
subtracted. Next, what I am supposed to is this is already cos x plus sin x, right? I am writing the question writing 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x in one part. Another part is cos x minus sin x is another part. By divided by cos x plus sin x. Still clear?
yes,
Just try to understand this. From path I took just cos x is there, then it is not possible. I'll took for 2. This is the possibilities there. I got an understanding pre-knowledge. Then 2 cos x I read cos x cos x. Then I'm adding subtracting this by sin x. Okay. After this extension, what I can do, this is the same, right? I'll do rewrite the denominator separately for this all. Cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x into dx. Next plus 1 by 2 integration cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Still clear? Huh? So
yes,
what
sir.
is, what is the thing new happening? These are same cancelling out. 1 dx will come. 1 by 2, 1 dx. The rest of the answer you write. I'm turning the paper, I'm writing it is 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx. Now integration of 1 by 2 cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Any doubt, Nana? Now there are two questions now.
No, sir.
This is one question, this is one question. 1 by 2. Integration of 1 dx means what? X only. This answer is finished now. Okay. Then this answer you take. What I has to take is, I am taking, this is a t. This I may get a dt. If I take dt, let us take t. If you differentiate this, you are going to get this. You can take it as t. Simple. So I'm assumption t is equal to cos x plus sin x. What's the dt, Nano? Cos x derivation into the minus sin x. Sin x ke cos x. So dt by dx equal, I write dx. So this is right. Can I write dt? So 1 by 2 dt by t. Clear? Any doubts? So 1 by 2x. So integration dt by t what nana? Log t. Okay. What is the t nana? Now x by 2 1 by 2 log of t is equal to what? Cos x plus sin x. Clear? Plus c. Answer is finished. This is the one interesting question now. How I did? Yes. What? How will you know, sir? Means first you assumption before doing that you can take. If I take t, shall I get dt or not? If I do take t, if I differentiate this, shall I going to getting or not? If it is you are not going to get, you can take assumption of t. So dt by t log t. So I get an answer. That is what I took off. This is the way of doing the question. Clear or any doubt? Okay. This is modulus. You can write modulus negative not x. I write modulus. Okay. Now, similarly, you take the sixth question. I don't want to do similarly. I am doing just hint. I'll make it out. Integration. What is the question? Integration 1 by 1 minus cot x into dx. Same thing. Cot x you open. Then cot x what you can write now? Tell me that. Cos x by sin x, right? If you rewrite the question, sin x by sin x minus cos x. Okay now. Now same process into 2 by 2 you can do. 2 sin x already available. So 1 by 2 integration 2 sin x means sin x plus sin x. So cos x is not available. Cos x minus cos x you add. According to sin x minus cos x, this is first, then this is second. You continue, you'll get an answer. The same procedure you can apply t and dt as like same question of fifth one. Clear? Sixth one, same question of sixth. This is seventh question, right? Previous one, sixth question. As like sixth question, you should work. You'll get the answer. Clear, Kushal? Can I move to next question? Yeah. Sixth is finished. Now seventh is finished.
Yes,
The same
sir.
process of sixth one. Okay. Now till this, the models are finished. Now I'm taking a next model. The model questions are changing. The questions, how should we look back? The questions, first I write model. Please copy the model. The question how should be, you has to do how you need to write the answers for a given question, how the methodology you need to apply. If the questions are like this, if the questions are integration, I'm trying to change the pen. Integration, the questions are like this: px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c, or the questions are px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. Already it is there, right? Without this, without like this, you got dx. Or the questions are px plus q under root of ax square bx plus c. If the questions are these three models, after seeing the question should be look like or like this, or like this, or like this. How you need to proceed means, what you has to do is, the denominator part, numerator is there, right? Instead of px plus q, you need to fill with, you need to replace px plus q by a into d by dx of your denominator, ax square plus bx plus c plus b. This is the value you need to replace it is. Like this you need to write. Once again I'm repeating, the questions are like these three models. You need to take a question, the model should be like this. You need to rewrite the numerator. Instead of px plus q, you has to write it is a into d by dx of the denominator plus b. After this writing, you find a value of a, value of b. The constant values you find by equating coefficients, on both sides. By equating coefficients on px plus q, then differentiate this one, then you equate the coefficients, you find a and b. After finding a and b, substitute a value of a and b. After you got this, you need to substitute this place by this, then you continue problem. Okay, just to understand the method, the questions are there. I need to show that how I'm going to apply for that. Okay, please take this model, then I'll take a question now. Clear, Nana? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Right. After this, okay. Right. Okay. Now yesterday, now let us into the second bit. Second bit. The second bit question, second bit, first question yesterday already finished. This is 1 plus 3x and x square. This is look like under root of a square plus x square or like that. You can convert and do it out. Clear? I don't want to do now. First question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now second question, third question, and fourth question. This is weight. You need to wait. Tomorrow class I'll explain because this is a different model. I don't want to do that now. Okay. These two questions I'm leaving. Tomorrow one more method is there for that. At that method I'll introduce the methods. Okay. Next, coming to the fifth question, integration 1 by 3x square plus x plus 1. This question you should work your own as like yesterday model. Or can I open and can I continue? Because something you might have a doubt. This question I try to explain the fifth question. Yesterday only one question I was explained in such a model. I'll try to continue this question for 2 minutes. I'll open and I'll give back to you. So just I'll take this part only. I don't want to do entire part. This part I'll open. I'll do it. 3x square plus x plus 1. The step number 1, 3 should not be available. 3 should take a common x square plus x by 3 Rana, plus 1 by 3. Clear? Now this is a square. Then 2ab is required, but 2 is not available, right? If it is 2 to not available, don't think that it is 2 is you can 2. You can create your 2. Okay, very interesting. You can create the 2 into 2 by 2 if 2 is not available. So simple. Next question, 3 you should take common. X square means a square plus 2. This part is over 2. Next a, this part is over. What are the rest of the part? This is what b. 2ab. B part means 1 by 6. Clear? You have a doubt on the 2ab. Now b square 1 by 6 whole square minus 1 by 6 whole square. You can create and substitute and 1 by 3. Clear? Next 3 you can take a square 2ab plus b square. Now a plus b whole square. Okay. Next minus 1 by 36 plus 1 by 3. This you need to simplify. I'm writing directly answer. I don't want to wait your own time. X plus 1 by 6. This is x square. After doing this entire thing, you are going to get what I can get 11. 11 by 36 I got. 11 by 36 I got. Okay. This rewriting, what can I write? I'll write the question next page. 1 by 3. I'll take a common. Integration 1 by x plus 1 by 6 whole square. Nana. This is not, I cannot write directly. So I'm writing root 11 by 36. Root 11 by 36 whole square. Clear? So next 1 by 3 integration 1 by x plus 1 by 3 x square plus a square. This I can write root 11 by 6 also. I can write nothing wrong in that. I think you know the answers. 1 by integration a square plus x square. What is the answer, Anna? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay. I'm writing directly answer 1 by a. So 1 by root 11 by 6. Already 1 by 3 is there. Tan inverse x by a. X means what, Anna? X plus 1 by 3. A means root 11 by 6. Plus C. Answer is finished. If you want to simplify 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, this 2 will come down. 2 by 11, you'll get a final answer. The final answer is 2 by root 11 tan inverse. After you simplify the numerators, you are going to get the entire thing by root 11 plus C. This is the final answer. Why I took this question for me, for yours means here you 2 is not available. You need to create anywhere. Till this, the fifth question is finished for today's session. Okay. Now sixth question, similar way. So dx by root of 5 minus 2x square plus 4x. Similarly, take separately 1 minus 2x square plus 4x. First, you rewrite the question minus 2x square plus 4x plus 5, because question should be ax square plus bx plus c format. After minus 2, take a common x square, then want 4x by 2, then minus 5 by 2. Okay. Then after this 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, you are going to get this. You can take x square minus 2 to keep it side, minus 2x minus 5 by 2. Then just after this you can continue your one. I don't want to do this. Okay, do the homework. Okay, right. So now second bit is finished. Now second bit I left second, third, fourth, which are different model. I'll introduce later. Okay, now clear. Third one. The third questions are as a method of what I was explained now. What is the methodology? This is a method. With this method, I'm trying to go for third bit. The third bit, you can take this method. So what is the method I'm trying to approach now today? Third one, first question. So please be concentrated on first question very carefully. After that, you are unable to understand. X plus 1 by under root of x square minus x plus 1. Only one question I'll explain very clearly. Rest of for your homework. Dx. This question is look like just now you told you, sir, px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c model. Clear? What I told you, the question is should be like this. What I told you, px plus q is equal to, you has to write a into d by dx of ax square plus bx
X
plus
square
c
plus bx plus c
and plus
plus
b.
b.
So in such a way, I'll try to equate x plus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus x plus 1 plus b. Clear? Now x plus 1 is equal to a into the differentiate this one. X square means 2x. X means minus 1, 1 ki 0 plus b. Clear? I'll write in the next x plus 1 is equal to 2ax plus b, Nana. Any doubt in this? Okay. Now, next case, after writing this, find AB values, find constant values, AB by find AB by equating coefficients. By equation coefficients. What is the quotient of here? What is the maximum quotient? X power 1. What is the nothing is there? You can take it x power 0. Okay. First compare maximum quotient. Compare x power 1 quotient. X power 1 quotient means what? What's the value of x power 1 quotient? Right side 2a. Left side means 1. So
1.
1 is equal to 2a. Partial fractions, please be understand. Now a is equal to how much, Nana? 1 by 2. Next, compare constants. Constant means what is this here? 1. Compare or else x power 0 constant and rendu same anamata. 1 is equal to b. What's the value of b, Nana?
1.
Like this, you can take highest power x power 1. Take x power 1 all, then compare both sides. Then x power 0, compare both sides, then find a and b value as like a partial fractions. Clear? Huh? Now you got a value, b value. You substitute over here. What I substitute? X plus 1 is equal to, what's the value of a? 1 by 2 into 2x plus b is equal to 1. So 1, this is thing is done, right? Okay. 2, now you got x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1. Or something else you are going to miss out. 2x, right? 2x, okay, 2ax, right? Okay, now this is clear. I don't want to do this. Is 1 minute. I'll stop here. I don't want to do that because this is not going to cancellation. 2x minus 1 is there, right? Okay. A value entrana 1 by 2, 2x minus 1 plus 1 because don't want to cancel. You don't cancel like because minus 1 is there. So this is the value you got. So what you have to do now, instead of x plus 1, what you need to substitute? This you need to substitute in the question and you continue. Clear? Huh? Instead of x plus
Yes,
1, you value need to substitute and continue. The question becomes easy. Now I'm substituting.
Yes, sir.
The question is integration x plus 1 by under root of, not under root, I think under root is there, x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Please make it mute. Make it mute. Okay. Now x plus 1, what I have to do instead of x plus 1, I told you, right? What I got yesterday. Now just now 1 by 2, 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Clear? Huh? This is a numerator replacement. Then denominator as is. No need to do it. Denominator as is, it is there. X square minus x plus 1. Still any doubt, Nana? Please tell me. Okay, now.
No, sir.
Right. Next, I'm separating denominator with both sides. Both cases, I'm separate the denominators. So what is that? Next, integration 1 by 2. I'll take out the side 2x minus 1 by under root of x square x plus 1 into dx plus 3 by 2 integration, nothing is right, top 1 by under root of x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Still this any doubt, please tell me. This is a very interesting concept.
No, sir.
Please once again I'm trying to explain what I did of. Just you take a question, instead of this you rewrite this. How I did of, just I take a into d by dx of denominator plus b after denominator differentiation. After differentiation he is, because differentiation is there for this, you can differentiate by comparing coefficients. You got a and b, then after you substitute here, then rewrite the x plus 1 numerator by our answer. After the immediate step, you can take like this, x plus 1 is equal to like this. Then after separate this part, a part and b part separately you can do. This is a very interesting. After this, what you have to take it is this case, any case ekkadaina ide untundi. Please take this is a t now. Definitely you will get answer. This is equal to t, you take this, you get dt, because already we did of differentiation. So dt means what? Get 2x minus 1 is equal to dt and dx. Okay na? Clear? Any doubts? So what we can do, this 1 by 2 integration dt by root t. Clear Anana? Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is a question carry forward. This how to do this, I'll explain the next page. So next page I'll write 1 by 2 integration dt by t plus integration 3 by 2 1 by under root of x square minus x plus 1. Okay, integration 1 by t dt 1 by t 1 by root t, sorry, 1 by root t, right? So 1 by 2 root t means what? You can take t power out, so t power 1 by 2 is there, you go top, t power minus 1 by 2 into dt plus 3 by 2. This is as it is, you don't do it, you can keep like that, I'll tell you later. Okay, so I think you know t power n plus 1 by n plus 1, t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, after simplification, what is the value of t, Nana? What your assumption t is equal to? What your assumption t is equal to? What you assume just now? T is equal to? Okay, this you substitute after you getting answer left side. Okay now, you have a doubt on now? Kushal, clear?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Next, now think about this question. This question do separately. This question I'll take, because this question, this part I'll take separately. I don't want to continue with this because pages will take long time. This question I'll take separately here for your sake of understand. 1 by under root of x square minus x plus 1 into dx. I think this question you know how to do it. Yes or no? This already I was already explained
Yes,
previously. This you can
yes,
convert into this, take separately x square minus x plus 1. Your take is already 1 because x square 1 is common already. Then it is not 1 is not available, 2 is not available. You can take 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1. Now a square 2ab plus b square, right? X square 2 into x into 1 by 2, b square means plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. Then you continue this dustbin work. Okay,
okay.
this continuation you can do, you'll get an answer. That answer you substitute here 3 by 2 into your answer plus this you continue, rewrite the value t is equal to what is the value you are going to do it, that you substitute whatever you take, you can substitute over there, your answer is going to be completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay Nana, even a doubt on that?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is the way you can do. So you think that how much a big question is there now? Started this question look like simple, apply the method. In this method you got a and b value, you start working over here how you got these answers. So it is taking the number of methods are implemented, because that's what I'm telling, you need to understand every concept, you need to come sequence order, then only the question understanding is clear, because this is a sub part of question of previous method. That is why you must be clear for every question. Okay, now the first question is finished. Now I'll go to second question. Second is integration 6x plus 5 under root of 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx. Clear? How this question look like? Integration px plus q into under root of ax square plus bx plus c. Am I clear, Anna? So this
Yes,
is the
sir.
method as like same method. Px plus q is equal to, you has to write a into d by dx of denominator ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Same model. ఎక్కడ రాయాలి, దీని ప్లేస్ లో రాయాలి నువ్వు. Instead of this you need to rewrite. So take copy this one. 6x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of your denominator. What is the denominator? 6 minus 2x square plus x plus b. So 6x plus 5 is equal to a into, you can differentiate 6 is 0 minus 2x square minus into 4x plus 1. Clear? Plus what's the value of b, Nana? Nothing is there, you can keep b as usual. Next, what do you get, Nana? 6x plus 5 is equal to what you are going to get now? Minus 4ax plus a plus b. Clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now what you has to do means compare the x power 1 quotient. What is the x power 1 quotient? Minus 4a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 by minus 4. Now a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Any doubt in this? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Next, compare constants. Constants means what? A plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 5. What's the value of a? Already know. Minus 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 5. Now b is equal to what I get? 5 plus 3 by 2. So if I simplified 5 to 10, 13 by 2. Clear? I have no doubt on that. Okay. Now it's clear. No doubt at all. So substitute the value over here. AB values in this. So I'll take a question in the next page. Question is 6x plus 5 under root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. After I got substitute what I got 6 plus x plus 5 is equal to a value antamma. The value of a is how much? Minus 3 by 2 into inside the box what value you get? 1 minus 4x plus b how much you know? 13 by 2. Clear or any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next b. So you need to rewrite this question now. So what is this one? You substitute this part in this here. So extension of question now. I'm rewriting, substituting the value. So 6x by means you can write minus 3 by 2 into 6 minus 1 minus 4x. Huh? Just I erase this. I'll write very neatly. What I can write integration. This part you write minus 3 by 2 1 minus 4x plus 13 by 2. Okay, Nana? Bracket of this whole answer. Any doubt, Nana?
No, sir.
Next step ఏం చేస్తారంటే next step this part into this part and this part into this part. Separate that. You need to multiply both parts. So for the sake of understanding, I write here only because turning the page it will take time. I'm writing here only. The extension is I'm writing simply now subtracting all what you are going to getting it out 1 minus 4x, right? Minus 3 by 2 common integration 1 minus 4x under root of 6 minus 2x square plus x. Okay, dx plus next is 13 by 2. Am I clear? 13 by 2 integration under root of 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So now this is clear. Now there are single question. Now it look like two questions now. Two separate questions. It look like two separate questions now. This is one question. This is one question now. Okay. Now I'll continue this. Minus 3 by 2. Please, whenever this the step is bracket, this you can take it as t. Definitely you'll get. This is a t you take. This is a t you take. So let us I'll take 2x square plus x is equal to t. Definitely you'll get minus 4x plus 1 into dt. Dx is equal to dt. So minus 1 minus 4x dx is equal to dt. So what you can get? Root t into dt. Clear? Huh? Then
Yes, sir.
13 by 2, this part is common. This is part is common as usual. Next minus 3 by 2, integration of root t. What I got? T power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay. Plus 13 by 2. This question is continuation. So minus 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This is going to cancel now. Okay. What are you going to get answer? Minus of t by 2. T by 2 means what do you have just a t? 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2. This 50% of question is done. Now rest of the question is there. 13 by 2 under root of 6 minus 2x square is there. I'm turning back. I'm writing in the next page very clearly. What is the final answer? Minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2 integration 6 minus 2x square plus x into dx. Clear? Now second part start working. So how I told you the second part model, I was already told you take this part and start working separately. 2x square plus x. This question you rewrite 2x square plus x plus 6. Okay, minus 2 you take a common, x square minus x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus 6 by 2 you write. Okay, because 2 is taken. This you can write x plus a whole square, some constant whole square. After this you substitute here and you can continue. Okay, this question is look like the second bit first question. This 50% is there. Second bit second bit first question already it is there. I think you are already completed under root of 1 plus 3x and x square. I was already explained. Like that you can continue. You find the answer for this. Then after 13 by 2 you multiply. Then add this answer. You are going to get full answer. Any doubt, Nana? Clear? Any more
No,
doubts? Okay. Good boy. Okay. Now next. Now 2 questions are finished. Now third question is homework. Sorry, third question I am leaving. Fourth one also I am leaving because third, fourth are different models. You did that should not become this model. I am going to a fifth question. Now I'll take fifth question. Now fifth question same model now. Question is x. You can take x plus 0. Nothing wrong in that. 1 plus x square minus x square. This is look like same model. Px plus q under root of ax square plus bx plus c. Same thing. Px plus q is equal to x plus 0 is equal to a into d by dx of the internal part of this. What is this internal part? 1 plus x square plus b. Differentiating on both sides. Now x plus 0 is equal to a into 0, 1 minus 2x plus b. Now we can take simple x is equal x plus 0 is equal to a minus 2ax plus b. Nothing but x plus 0 is equal to minus 2ax plus a plus b. Now compare the x power 1 quotients. So 1 is equal to minus 2a. So a is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now compare the constants. A plus b is equal to 0. A already is minus 1 by 2 plus 0. So b is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 to go for 1 by 2. So a is 1 minus 1 by 2, b is 1 by 2. Substitute here. Then you rewrite here. Then you continue as like a previous problem. As it is, you'll get an answer. Okay.
okay, sir.
Right. Please do it homework. Extension. I don't want to explain because you need to understand. You has to practice. You need to get more and more answers. Okay. Till this, our discussion is our set of models are over. If you wanted to continue, I'll give the one more question. You can go to that question number 11. Question number 11. Because rest of the questions you leave. Because next question is there. Next 6th and 7th, 8th, 9th, which are different model. 10th also different model. I don't want to come now. I'll come later in the next classes. 11th I'll explain. 11th question is like this: 5x minus 1 by x minus 2. This is a question. Such a type of questions, you need to do one thing. What are the value of denominators? You can multiply numerator denominator with the same answer, or else numerator with same answer. Because better to do this numerator is better way. So this questions is not looking our because without root we can try it out. So these, what are the value of their numerator? 5 minus x. You can multiply inside 5 minus x with 5 minus x to remove the root now. By denominator x minus 2 into 5 minus x. Same answer, same value, you need to multiply with this. Now question is look like integration. Root into root means 5 minus x whole square. Denominator 5 minus x whole square. What is this? X minus 2 into 5 minus. Please multiply you this. You are going to get an answer. 7x minus 10 minus x square you will get. This question extension is what are you going to get? Square root will cancel. What are you going to get? 5 minus x by under root of 7x, or else I'll write very simple ax square pattern you can do to understand. So minus x square plus 7x minus 10 into dx. Now it's clear, Nana? Any doubt in this? This is a
Yes, sir.
question. Numerator root should be eliminating. The value of numerator 5 minus 6 means I should multiply one more 5 minus 6 because 5 minus x square will come, root cancel. This should be free from root. Now denominator will get x square. This question is look like previous model. Integration px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c model. Please work on that. Same thing, 5 minus x into is equal to a by dx of, I told you just now, a into d by dx of this x square plus 7x plus 10 plus b. Same compare, find AB values, then continue as like a previous models. Okay. I don't want to waste your time now. Okay. Next next to 12 you can take. Question number 12 also look like same model. Integration 1 plus x by 1 minus x. The time is limited. I am going very fast. Same question you can write in numerator with 1 plus x. So 1 plus x into 1 plus x. So similar 1 minus x into 1 plus x to dx. After this continuation, you are going to get 1 plus x by the denominator. You are going to get 1 minus x square into dx. This question no need to do simple. You can no need to do any exercise because 1 by 1 minus x square into dx plus integration x by 1 minus x square into dx. This is very simple. Integration of 1 by under 1 minus x square is sine inverse x plus this is you can take 2 1 by 2. This you can take t dt by t. So 1 by t dt by t you get log t. So final answer is sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 2 under root of 1 minus x square plus c. 2 to cancel. Rest of the models will continue tomorrow. Till this, please practice and come to my tomorrow class. I'm stopping over there today. Okay. Till this, please
Yes, sir.
practice. Please watch.